ang nakuha ko pa lang, si Visco, si Toki-chan, si All Is Well, si I/Dash, si Xing Xing, si Empress, si Chrono, si HK El Nuevo. Sino pa ba? Sino pa? Bilis na. Mini. Okay, here we go. Wait lang, palitan muna tayo. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with Pow Pow and Fishbones on this one. Tapos, let's go back to the... Up there. With Spider-Man. Miles Morales. Pero the way it got presented to us, bro. And by the way, Arcane, Spider-Man Miles Morales are ended in a big cliffhanger. You have a man down on one of your cannons, bro. Damn. Hihinga na lang kita ng details mo after nitong stream natin. 5 kayong nanalo kasama si Christian. Kasama si Genera. Si Genera na streamer. Ayan. Daming bumoto sa kanila. Diba? But it's parang Arcane fell close second. Diba? Kasi we all know the quality of Arcane. It's fine. Nakapili na sila. Oh, Blitzcrank, please don't engage. Sayang, kulang tayo. Wala pang fruit. Kailangan ko ng prutas. Ayun. What? Oh, this shit's spinning. Okay. Let's review. Ayan, kasi naka-high ako eh. This is the resolution. This is the effects. So, ayan. Tapos post-processing. We're good. Tense. Ayan, wala na silang healer. Panalo na tayo. Wala silang healer.
Diba na pag-usapan na natin to, sisindikatuhin natin dapat. Puro challenger yung mga pinanalo nyo.
Yun yung nakuha ng roleta.
Bakit tayo?
Pwede. Bombay natin.
Sige, andyan din yata Kasix. Nagputok dito.
Okay, okay na. Andito sa
Ayan o, nag-show yung Kasix ha.
Okay natin, 3v3 natin.
Hindi niya muna hinuk. Lumalambot ba si Olaf kapag nag-R? Hindi. So Isha really... I don't think so. Po-void sa Runeterra. Yeah, di ba? Yan. So that's my take on all of it. But we are doing good. We're doing good. Nalugi yung Garen kay Timo eh. So advantage namin dito sa Timo. We need to pop off. Kailangan nating masabayan itong mga to. Oh, with the ultimate. What was that? Mamatay ba yung Leona? Hindi ano? Wait lang, kailangan kong umakyat. So, andito na lahat ng pangalan. We have 16 entries. Pwede pa tayong magdagdag kung makumpleto natin sila. Wala pa sila, coach?
Ayan.
We have first tower. Nice, we're good. I'm actually scared of this Lee Sin now, bro. No, nyo, since dito. Good zoning, please. I need this. Twitch, please. I need a damage. Yung mga kalaban dito sa ano Kaso lang may vision sila. Kakayanin ko ba to? Putik, wala na pala akong buhay. Cross promoter. Ano ba to? Control panel. Uy, hindi yan. Uy, hindi din yan. Oh, hindi yan. Ano pa? Wait lang. May pusa na naman dito, may nagtatago na naman, oh.
Ano na to eh, dito na tayo.
Mabers kaya. Pag sila yung
Dito na tayo.
Para nasa horror ah.
Ang tagal naman.
Yeah. Lugi talaga yung Victor. Stop the time. Of the events. Ayan. So, yung events na yan, puro lang dragon shards, puro coins. There are chests to be given. Okay lang trade. Nag-greedy ako eh. Sorry. Greedy mode on. Yun yung boss fight. Yung boss fight yung mga malalaking pinto. Woo! Never mess with Echo, bro. I need this. Ayan, tas sword bat charge. Okay. So, Echo use quick reflexes. Okay. Wow. Lah, yung Nasus din na gumagalaw. Nasus dito ka. Nag-aantay kasi ng ano, mamatay na minion. I need help, I need help, I need help. Help me. Oh my god, help me. Smited. Kuha ba namin?
When we're just hanging out.
Try mo na yan.
Ay, gagi na hit.
What the hell? Okay. Pagka level 3 natin, pwede natin.
Darius ah. Fairness, in fairness sa kanya. And I get the T-Hex. Ah, gusto mo ikaw na. Okay, sige, ikaw na. Ability. Yung base version niya, hindi siya gumagal. Hindi siya ano. Yan, humahabol pa rin siya. Nangahabol pa rin siya ng champion.
Akito.
Nice, good,
Nice.
good stun.
Akito.
Natamaan ako.
Yun lang.
Wala. Ang bilis. Ang sakit masyado.
Pwede ako dyan.
Sige,
Pagka
cover.
lumapit
Ano na
ka.
lang.
Tama lang pala yun. Ah. Oh my god. See how interesting the mind. Kainis kasi. Alright, here we go. Gonna have to pull. Come on, come on, come on. Up. Oh, dito na yung ipis. Ah! Sayang. Nabait ako ng echo. Na ano ako, nag-greedy ako dun. Hello, Izume. Wait lang, here we go. Here we go. Up. Nice. Good hook by Thresh. Oh, he doesn't look like Fiddles. He doesn't look like... Okay, hold on. Let me just share the stream real quick. Real quick lang. Real quick. Maririnig niyo pa rin naman siya. Ng evolution dun sa old version niya. Pero this one, especially on TikTok, because TikTok has a huge community right now. Especially the TikTok content creators, we get huge viewers and so. Ako po, okay, ito na tayo. Tignan naman natin. Ayan. So, may nanalo na, guys. We're good. We're good with that. Best of 3. Pwede pa kayong again. I'm sorry kung ano, pero pwede. Tapos we win by a push. Utangin na. Sobrang taba ng kalaban. GG's na. Yeah, if by some miracle this opens up, bro. Wood Saya. Yan. Elderwood Saya. Toink toink merakan na. Yan. To say the least. Ayan o. Echo. Woo! Good save. Good save by Veigar. Good save. Muntik na akong mamatay dun ah. Sige. After
With them, I'm
Champion,
playing the Victor deck
Victor
right
deck.
now, which is really oriented.
Okay, okay. For the artwork, I'm not really a fan of.
Then,
Okay.
because you will get challenger players. Wait, oh. Only Iron.
Nasaan na si I will not fail?
Papindot na restart, sabihin natin, new rule.
Ayan, ban yung Yasuo.
Bawal mag-isip.
Oo.
Bawal ka na mag-Yasuo.
Palagay nyo, parang mag-good idea yun. No, Bray? No?
Oo.
Oh, restart yan. Why did you get challenger players? Oh shit.
Yawa.
Yawa.
Yawa!
Galingan na Andong. Yun na naman, nasibal na ako dito eh.
Miss Katarina here. Oh, may ward. May ward na. Sige, sige, sige. Angelo Martin. Parang familiar yung name mo, buddy.
Wait lang. 6.
Yun, hindi gagawin.
Ito magagaling yan eh.
Ako po.
Tuloy ko lang to top.
Masyado naman kayong gigil, guys!
Saan gigil?
Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Ah! Oh my god, sayang.
Atras pa.
Sige, sige. Push mo lang, Dig. Punk. We saw these people in Arcane na rin. Sila Smeech, yun, sila Smeech. Judy, oy Judy, hello, it's been a long time. Naglalaro ka pa ba sa sa CN? Hello Judy. Oh, by the way, if they do decide to retcon Warwick's model, sana gawin nilang parang half human half wolf si Warwick. That'll be perfect.
Tangina, shoutcaster ako ng English pero pag
Yeah.
Nahirapan na.
You shoutcast English very good, but in comms,
in
very good.
communication no not
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. You should practice English.
Sayang, hindi ko siya nakuha. Ayoko pa mag-ulti, masasayang ang ultimate ko eh. Mag-ulti ako pag pag oras na. Ever, lalo na master up. Kinuha nila yung blue! Ay, kinuha nila yung crab ko! Win this game for you. Let's play it safe for now. Kasi 23 seconds ulti, you don't still have enough damage para maka-execute ng para syempre may makakita. Block to, okay.
The spire falling on it, and me from the future wants to meet up there. This is getting interesting.
There we go. So these people, I don't think so. I don't think so. Void sa Runeterra. Yeah, di ba? Yeah. So that's my take on all of it. MVP deserve those hooks hit hard, bro. Those are really good hooks.
All over the Runeterra IP and other League IP
The artwork looks really good.
Each of the champions
Oh,
has
okay.
obviously a
So wait lang.
thematic kind of
Okay. So I think. But we'll see.
Okay, okay lang. Okay lang. Ito.
So?
Gusto ko rin dyan eh.
Sige.
Uy, umiinit. May sa
Nabuti na
dati
yun,
mga
nabuti
kalok
na.
na.
Walang babe.
Last wave na to.
Okay.
They just announced the physical card game, the trading card game, their entry to the TGC universe, TCG. My goodness, nakakatakot yung ano, Warwick. Oo. Down. So there are no rifts cut, yung parang ayan oh. Hindi ito. Server bro, wala silang pakialam kasi sa objective. Kaya kailangan mo talaga mag-jungle kung gusto mong umangat dito. Those are the best storylines to me, in my opinion. And anyway, ayan. Enjoy watching. I won't. Ayan. Oy, wag naman. Di ba maawa kayo? Ayan. We are going to see a lot of different things that Arcane has changed. And because Riot Forge is a dead brand right now, when you put the wolf down, pero I don't know, just time your ult wisely. Especially kapag I think Xin Zhao is gonna contest because he just spawned. He just came back to life. Namamatay na kung ano mang alien or some shit, right? So it was like Victor was the anchor point for. But okay, I can play Nunu. Where is my Nunu boy? Also, I can't show Nunu yet. Not yet. Not too yet. Uy, Kha'Zix. Perfect.
Ano yun? Ano ba yan?
Ano, easy.
Oh,
Wait
sabi
lang.
ko easy talaga. Grabe, challenger, napatay ng Grandmaster. Grabe.
Mamaya, pupokusain natin yung mga yan.
Ang ganda. Sabi na. May judge system. Nireport ko na. Ayop siya. Bad trip. Okay. Uy. It's Malphite mid versus Orianna. Okay. Andun yung Lee Sin sa baba. Ganyan dapat dito sa PH eh. Wala eh. Para syempre may makakita. Bakit black to? Okay. Oh, she regrets everything now. Hitler, you idiot. Good. Double kill? Double kill? Oh my god. Boom. Woo. Woo. We're good. We're good. We're good. Riot buff flex. Andito sila. Andito ba sila? Ah! Yeah, we have to play it safe. Oh my god. Yeah, we have to play it safe. Oh shit. Oh shit. I fucking I fucking called it. Ambessa on the way ah. Lalo na ako eh.
Adoy.
Bakit ng FPS trap talaga? Kasi ayaw mag-reflect sa akin nung like, so tinamad na ako. Tsaka ang proseso kasi nung ano, yung pagkuha ng skin, kailangan mong gumamit ng napakadami. We're gonna re-queue. Wait, do I have enough for Ambessa actually? Kasi parang maganda si Ambessa sa jungle. I-jungle dito.
Ay, wait lang guys ha. Ano sa akin? Pike. Ay, gusto ko mag-pike mid eh.
Pike?
Papi na lang.
P.
Copy.
Oo na
Sige.
yung ADC.
Sige, pike na lang.
Yung champion na lumabas. But until then, we are going to grind our minds off of the stupid ass Chinese server. And Grisha Coconut Kicks, hello. They just announced the physical card game, the trading card game. Their entry to the TGC universe. TCG pa. Mas malakas damage ko sa'yo. Sorry ka, akin. Dito tayo. Ayun o, kayang. Ayan. Oy, picking na pala ako, sorry. Sorry. Oh, it's not her. Mali, sorry. Dapat ultihan ko sana siya. Sorry, my bad. Ultihan ko dapat yun. Machi sila dun ni Singe. Yan. So, he has vowed to save up his money to return to Piltover and search for her. So, ngayon, nasa Piltover. Well, in this storyline, nasa Piltover si Orianna. Masan! Uy! Hello! Welcome to the stream, Masan. Salamat sa pagdalaw and sa pag-follow. Ayan, if you guys want OMG, my glorious king. And anong skin available sa kanya? Wala pa sa ngayon, but I think damn, Mel Medarda doing so much doing so much backline damage. Saan tayo? Oh, andito na si Ipis. Andito na po si Ipis. Wala po tayong ano. Nice. Okay. Good when it comes to these types of games. Diba? And it's fine. It's fine. Kasi without the Chinese, I'm coping right now. Yeah, it's fine. Yep. Mahirap na pigilan tong mga to. Nice one. Here we go. Tower defense, tower defense. Welcome to the stream. And what's up, guys? If you guys are new to the stream, my name is Eisenhart. And I am 8-3 ko. 8-0 tuloy. Pero they're gonna have to nerf it down real hard, bro. They're gonna have to nerf that shit down. Just like what they did to Rabino. Of course you're first. Ayan. Okay. Well, hindi siya spin-off actually. Hindi siya spin-off. Arcane is over. For it to be a target ako ng ano. Malapit ka lang sa akin. Ah.